Hello friends, time for a trade of the week idea. Quick little video. Just want to show you how I came about this concept. The market has really kind of pulled back a little bit. It's not breaking out, and so I don't want to look for so much breakouts, but really strong pullbacks. And one of our favorite pullback scans here at Trade Ideas is this pullback above the 50-day SMA. So on my daily chart here, the 50 SMA is held in the past. And right here it's holding again. So the stock is PSTX, and if you look on my scan here, you'll see it right there. And this is important because I have sorted this scan change from the 5 days. So I want to see things that have pulled back hard, but they're still in a strong uptrend. And if I zoom in a little bit, I really like this candle, the way it came down and touched the 50 SMA perfectly. Remember, algorithms run this market, so they like to have waypoints and inputs and key target zones. So this could very well be a simple reversal zone. If we're wrong, it doesn't hurt as much. It's a small paper cut. So this is a big risk to reward opportunity here, meaning if we're able to take out $7 right there, the trend continues, and hey, you should have bigger problems to worry about, right? If the market, or I should say, if this stock breaks out and then rolls over and fails and closes below the rising 50, that's your out. So you can see here, there's your risk, there's your reward. In sloppy drawing terms, good luck out there. This is for the week of February 21st. PSTX, your trade of the week.